I got my new solar charge controller, and this is made by SuKam, one of the reputed brands in India, and they got a large number of other products as well. This is not a MPPT charge controller. This is a regular PWM based charge control, because for home solar installations we don't require MPPT. It will be overkill, and this got many features, especially for home use. So they boast many features on the cover itself. It's a microcontroller based, and there is adjustable voltage calibration. So overall, this looks like a nice product on their catalog. That's why I ordered through online and got this pack yesterday. Okay, so let us go through the details inside. When we open the cover, it is nicely sealed, packed. We can see a fuse visible outside. It's a 20 amps fuse. So let us remove this. Okay. Yeah, this is the charge controller, and it's not so big as I expected earlier. Okay, and there is some catalog, and yeah, so let us go through that in detail. It comes with a reasonably good user manual, which explains how it's overall working, and the installation details. So here you can see the installation details, how to wire, where to connect the panel, and the batteries and the DC load. And it supports 3-stage charging. The 3-stage charging system is well explained with the graphs in the other page, and detailed technical specification is given about the charging voltages, all those things. And here we can see the bulk voltage is 14.2 by default, but we can adjust between 13.4 and 15. So the manual goes on and says how to adjust the threshold, the bulk voltage setting. So 13.4 plus what is indicated in the multimeter. So to adjust, we just need a multimeter. Okay, and overall that's it. So let us go and look at the actual equipment. This charge control contains several indicators. Indicator to show the charging mode. As I mentioned already, there are 3 stages of charging. First is the bulk charge. For that, LED will be blinking once in a while, and when it reaches the second mode, the blinking will be equal distance. Okay, and in the float where it keeps the voltage, so the it will be always on kind. Okay, and the second indicator is something abnormal, and the third indicator shows you connected the PV or the battery in reverse, something wrong in the connection. And this is a port or prim where you can adjust the bulk reference, and this is a terminal from where you can connect a multimeter and to verify the voltage. And this I am not got it, yeah, but overall this is the front panel. If we move down, you can see that there is a fuse which will protect your DC load. If there is a short circuit in DC load, this fuse will burn and your battery will be protected. And these are the two terminals where you need to connect your battery, and these are the two terminals where you need to connect your PV cell. Okay, so this is all about the connection details. And if I just turn it back, and you can see that the entire back is filled with a heat sink, aluminum heat sink. It's thick enough. Yeah, and all the wires should be going through these holes. Okay, yeah, and the equipment is tested 2 times, and certification is there. Okay, yeah, this is the overall equipment looks like.